Good morning from Snow, Ohio. We got a lot of snow last night, and the kids got school called off today. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You grumpy? Are you grumpy, cat? All this snow, you don't like it? Oh my God. Where is she? Colby! Poor dog.
Okay, well.
Tell me when you want to brush out your braids. Yeah, in a minute. Okay, come here, Hayden. Hayden, come here. You gotta get your coat on.
I don't really want to do them before we go outside. Is that they're gonna get like all messed up when we go outside?
That's why. So I don't know if you
Ow,
leave them
my
in while we're
butt.
outside, and we'll brush them out when we come inside.
Mario,
Not that.
Mario,
Mario Kart.
and Mario
You
Kart.
want to take the sticker off your face?
No.
You want to leave that on?
Yeah, I go outside. I'll put it on my.
It's so cold. Aw, your turn and look at Mama. Bird.
This is the one that we just made. We made different paved roads. Yeah, look, we're all going down. Whoa!
Aw. Hayden, you want to go on the sled? Go on, Bubba.
If you want, I'll go with you. This rope. One, go.
Woo! Oh my gosh. All the kids outside want hot chocolate, so I'm making them hot cocoa. Look at this one. It's like a little hidden Mickey. Me? You can come inside with me if you're all done. You want to come inside? Is it fun in the snow?
Mommy, take it off.
Take these out.
Mommy got chocolate. Oh no.
Oh no, it got hot chocolate on them. We'll wash them. It's okay. Here.
Mommy, take it off. They're all dry.
Yeah.
They are dry.
You're all dry.
Mommy.
Here, wait, stop walking. I take off your boots. I take off boots.
Well, hi, Carolina. Where did you get Kailua from?
Lolo found her. Okay, so
braids.
Presley wanted mermaid waves, so we put her hair in 4 braids last night, and now we're gonna take them out and brush it out and see if we get her mermaid waves. That she
There was
wanted.
like mermaid here last night because I did 1 braid, and then we forgot to take it out before bed. So then we took it out, and then there was like mermaid here when we went to like get our passes to go on the Disney cruise.
Our passports. Yeah. Look at your hair.
It's like fluffy like mermaid.
Let me brush it. Look how pretty. Is that how you wanted it to look?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mermaid fluff.
Mermaid fluff. I love it.
See like how it's curly. Ooh.
Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that, Presley. Aw.
Night.
Kids are running 100 laps around the house. Oh my gosh. You can do it.
38.
And I'd like to thank Sofa Tutor for sponsoring today's video. I love Sofa Tutor, my kids love Sofa Tutor, especially on snow days like today. It is an online learning platform for grades kindergarten through 6. It is created by teachers and content experts, and everything is a gamified learning activity. So your kids get really engaged, they get really excited, and it just helps me when I need to get done all of my mom's stuff, that I can do the cooking and the cleaning. They're actually doing something that is increasing their learning, because 87% of Sofa Tutor users see an improvement in their grades. They have everything from vocabulary building exercises to a chat where if they need help with their homework, again, if you're a busy mom, or especially like me, a single mom who's kind of having to do it all, they can chat in on Sofa Tutor any question they're having with their homework. There's 24-hour chat service where real teachers are there to answer their questions. So it's been amazing, and if you use my link, it's gonna be in the description box below. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee and 60% off of your subscription. So my kids love this. We've been using it for a while, and I just love seeing how much it's built their confidence when it comes to upcoming tests. I know Landon, he's ultra competitive, especially with himself when it comes to his grades. So I love that Sofa Tutor is a way to sort of boost his confidence when he has a big test coming up, or sometimes even his classes, they play different games. So he likes to do all these different reviews on Sofa Tutor so that he's ready for them. So it's great to have them do something that they really do love to do, that I know is great for their education as well. So again, I will have Sofa Tutor linked down in my description box below. Okay, so I'm still waiting on the bedding for Landon's, I guess we should call it his preteen room, to come in, and I'm gonna put out the rug and sort of decorate with some wall decorations in here once all that's done. But him and I, the other night, he was such a huge helper. He helped organize his whole closet, because this piece of furniture is going to be going, it should be in a couple weeks. I think it said like mid-February delivery. There's gonna be a couch here, but you can see we emptied every single drawer of this and moved it all to either be hanging here in the closet or in these drawers. So we went to town. We really decluttered this. So it's time to do Presley and Hayden's room.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time.
everything is emptied out of these areas, because I know that these are just what they're gonna stay. So I'm gonna wipe everything down, and then we'll start putting stuff back in.
The same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go.
And I'm using my new All My Love multi-surface cleaner. It's available on capandclean.com. It smells so good. This is throwing it back, but when I was in middle school, I used to spray myself all over with Love Spell after gym to smell good. And that's what inspired this scent. It has peach and juicy apple and some very soft vanilla musk and a little bit of sweet blossoms, and it's just a really clean, romantic, springy scent. So this is a good one to stock up on if you're looking for a good spring cleaning scent too.
I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time. All my thoughts are running round inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt. Even if I changed up everything except my name, we will still be.
Okay, so everything is put back, but it smells so much better in here now that it's nice and clean. All that stuff is now hung here, so it's easy for her to reach. And now I just want to organize all three. This is like pajamas. These are socks. It's just gotten very messy, so time to tidy it up.
Even though I changed, really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I'll still be the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I'll still be the same. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same.
All right, pajamas are all nice and neatly folded. And I've organized swimsuits and like her dance and gymnastics leotards there. Still have to do the socks though. Ta-da! So happy. This is a million times better than it looked before, so hopefully it will stay more this way, Presley. Gonna finish up spraying everything down with this room freshener. smells amazing. I'm so happy this is all organized now. Yay.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh.
I tried. I cannot get that other door on. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm just gonna call it a night and try again tomorrow. But thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to check out Sofa Tutor, and I will see you in the next one. I owe you guys a huge life update, so make sure your notifications are turned on so you know when I post it. Bye, loves.